Hi Vogue, it's Hailey Prats and you're watching Model 101 and I'm going to show you step by step how to get this perfect, effortless 90s blowout. The most important step, especially being on set, is heat protectant. I cannot go without it. It's super important if you're doing a lot of styles that involve high heat that you're using a heat protectant to protect your hair. I love to use this one and spray it from the lengths to the ends. So we're going to spray it across the whole length of our hair because that's where the heat hits the hardest. Usually artists will kind of start the look high up to lift and give you volume and head towards the end. So I like to just spray it all throughout the hair. Less is not more in this case. Okay, next we're building volume. That's what the 90s is all about. And I'm just going to take a volumizing mousse, which is honestly key and a huge game changer for a blowout. It's best to do it while your hair is damp as well. And you're just going to put it and scrunch it in the roots and to the ends as well. You want to focus it where you want the most lift. So I love having the most lift to frame my face, and at the back as well, so you get that kind of effortless, chic, sexy volume. Next, we're on to the dryer. So I know it sounds intimidating, but we're going to take it step by step. So I have a round brush and I also have different size rollers as well for different parts of the hair. I'll use a smaller one for the front so it's a little flicky and face framing. I like to start on the top and I like to start at the front first. So I just grab a little section and these will be your face framing layers. And then I just kind of take it around the brush. I have naturally curly hair, so I like to brush it out first. And we're going to focus the dryer in the roots because that's where we want all of the volume. Now our whole head is in these rollers. I like to let it cool down so that the curls set so that it's nice and bouncy and flicky and effortless. Make another coffee, read a book, go for a walk, do all the things you need to do. And now it should be fully set and we're going to take it out. I like to start from the back and take it out, and so that the last ones are all the ones at the top that are more face framing. Take it out in like a twisty motion to keep the flick and bounce. Once I've taken all of the bottom layer ones out, I like to give it a quick spritz with hairspray just so that it stays all day. Not too much because we don't want it to be crispy, we still want it to be flicky and effortless. I like to do the rollers inwards too, so it kind of gives that sultry face framing like the iconic Victoria's Secret blowout. Last but not least, for the reveal, the defining moment, I like to kind of twist it to come to the side, and then we can just shake it all out, run your fingers through it. I mean, and finally, I love ending with hair oil. Locks in moisture, keeps it shiny, and it smells good and it looks good. Rub it in your hands, kind of take it from your eyeline down, just because we don't want to make the roots too oily and lose the volume that we just worked very hard on. And there you have it, the big 90s blowout, effortless, chic, cool girl, lasts all night. Thanks for watching.